Alright, let me see. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, that's a fact. Let me vote. Oh, I need to log in. Wait, I don't remember the password. Let me see my notes. Oh no. Hey, have you ever got that moment when you can't remember your password, or worse, found out that your password got hacked? Yes, I've been there, but honestly, I was over it. So I thought, why I can't just make my own password manager? Sounds wild, but hear me out. This one actually different. Alright, let's talk about password managers. They all promise to keep your data safe, but here's the deal. They are not perfect. Most of them store your password on a central server. You know what that means, right? If that server got hacked, everything exposed. So I thought, why we still relying on these outdated systems? Why not build something that put you in control of your data? So that's where the NAKey comes, a password manager that just not secure, but it's feel different. It has a unique idea structure. Alright, let's start with creating your user badge. It acts like your login method because the NAKey we don't use an email and password classic. Now we'll tell you why in the end. Alright, we're going to use Canva to create your custom badge. You have to use this template or you can create your own, but you have to download the badge. The badge acts like your login method, but don't worry. If you download the same badge again, it's not going to work because every time you download the badge, it creates a unique session, a unique token only for that badge to work with. So you don't have to worry if someone got this template and start downloading and use it. It's not going to work. But this is how DNA key validate the badge. First it would check the width and height of the image and then check if this image created by Canva. Check the content of the image and then hash it. Create a unique ID with that hash to create the badge ID and then do the same with the signature, and then the only thing that gets stored in the database is the ID. So if a hacker got the database, it's not going to do nothing. It's going to find nothing useful. Alright, let's start with creating the document. Documents contain the configuration for creating the complex password. This is the key features. Let's upload the badge that we create in Canva. Click open. Processing your ID. This is a new badge. Give us the new instruction and warnings. Here in the document name, have to provide a name for the document. Create a tag or a description, and then highlight the signature by your ID. I'm not going to talk about activating merge right now, and then click create new document, and then download your document. To create your password, we need to upload the documents. I have two. The max is 10 documents for now. You can switch between them as you like. And every time you switch, they give you a different result. Let's give it a key and transform it into a complex password. Choose the includes. You can choose symbols and symbol however you like. Then click create password. And this is the password result. Now let's test the hybrid input. In the hybrid input, you can upload an image, PDF, audio, or a video. Let's choose this meme. As you can see, we didn't give it a key, we gave it an image, and then he will transform it to a complex password. So you don't have to give it a key, just give it a random image. Alright, let's switch to the document number 2. And as you can see, I didn't change the image, and will give us a different result, even though we didn't change the image. But we changed the brain, the document. Same includes. Look at the password. It's a different password. You can do the same with the key input. Remember, we only changed the document. Will give us a different result, even though there is the same key, the same includes, the same settings, but the document is changed. You see, a whole different result. That's the power of DNA key. If you change the document, everything changes. Now let's test the merging. You can merge two documents, and it will give you a different result. Same includes, same key, same everything. And you will see that it will give us a different result. So what that means is, if the attacker wants the complex password, he'll have to get the first document, and then the second document, and then the key, and then they have to make the same includes, and then you have to get the badge. You see how much layers there? Now let's give a next level. Let's go a next level. That you can merge two type of files inputs. You can merge an image with an audio, an image with a video with an audio, however you want. It's kinda slow, but the final version is not going to be that slow. We merge two documents and two types of files. How is that crazy? And it will give us one complex password. You see the result? And if I click refresh, it will log out automatically. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm also planning to make another video to explain more about DNA key if you want to, and I have a lot of things to talk about. I'm also planning to release DNA key beta version open source, so you can contribute if you want. It's planning to be free for users to use it, and make sure to follow the page of DNA key if you want more information about this project.